Hello everybody, hope you're having a great summer so far. Just kind of wanted to give you a course update on GRD 271, Multimedia Design and Video 1. Most of you have done a great job with getting your interface designs refined and uploaded. I kind of wanted to go talk to you about what we're going to be getting into here in the next week or so. We're going to be putting a pin in the interface design part for right now, and we're going to jump into learning some software that we're going to be using to actually build the mobile website. That software is called Figma, Figma, and I want you to go to the links inside of Moodle to set up your account. And then review all the videos on their YouTube channel dealing with how to get started and learning the fundamentals of the tools that are provided. This should be a free student account. Make sure you do not put your credit card information in there. So as a student, you should be able to use Figma for free. We had to kind of switch. We were planning to use Adobe XD, but Adobe has kind of walked away from that software, which was very similar to Figma. But Figma is becoming a standard, an industry standard, where if you see any kind of interface design jobs or user interaction jobs, app development, website development, you're seeing folks, employers asking for experience with Figma. So that's kind of what we're addressing. And so there's a great YouTube channel that Figma provides that has all their content very organized and laid out for you to review and kind of learn the fundamentals of using the software. Pretty much you're going to kind of set up individual artboards or screens and then put your content on each one of those screens, and then you'll go back and add navigation to direct from your hamburger menu or whatever menu you decide to choose to direct readers to each individual page and then back. It's real important when you're working with navigation that not only do you give the reader a place to click to go to another page, but they got to be able to get back. That's why I like the hamburger menu that's always up in the upper right hand corner, that gives the reader access to those controls throughout the website. But just kind of wanted to give you a quick update on what we're doing. Like I said, we will be developing our mobile interface design project, the one for printing and graphic services, using Figma. And it should be, when we're done, it should be fully easily to navigate. There is an app that you can get on your phone for Figma that you can log in to your Figma account and be able to pull up your files so you can test them on your phone. Because when you're developing on a computer or a desktop computer, it's just not the same as pulling it up on your phone and trying to navigate and read. I mean, that way you can kind of judge point size for your type. Make sure you can read everything clearly and get a sense of what the reader's going to see in the end. So you want it to be easy to read, easy to navigate. Are you making them scroll forever to get the information? If that's the case, maybe you need to break the information down into smaller chunks so the person's not scrolling forever. So those are the kind of things that you can test through the app on using your phone, and I highly encourage you to find that app, download it, and once you start building this site out, to be able to go back and test on it. But that's kind of the plan for the next week or so. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, but initially follow the link inside of Moodle to set up your Figma account. It should be a free student account. Make sure you don't put your credit card information in there, because if so, because they do have like different options, like you can have a pro account and all that, but all that costs a little extra. So make sure you don't do that. For what we're working with, just a student account should be fine. Have any questions, like I said, feel free to reach out, and we'll see you inside of Moodle.